Hello guys, in this video we will make a soldering iron and how I make it. Let's get start the video and see. It's a switch, it's a fiber tube, and this is a nichrome wire, and this is 19 voltage charger, or this is pin or some tools we need and assemble it. This is how we look after assemble. First thing, we need to connect with electricity, and after the connection of electricity, it's 1-2 minute take to heat, and after you can see how this is work, and soldering some components and wire. You can see I will do it in one hand. It's easy to use and easy to solder wiring. This is very easy to assemble. Now I can explain you. This is charging port to use electricity, and here is a switch, and I assemble nichrome wire with the turns like 12 to 50 turns, and connected with copper wires. Is the end of video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.